Hey, we are out on the ice. It's windy today, so you may hear a lot of wind in the microphone. We made a cover for the Instamic, and now we will try if it works. Now I put the windshield that I made on the Instamic, and now you hear the difference in the sound. I will show you how to make this windshield. So I will crochet a windshield to this Instamic. And I will use two different kinds of yarn. This first one is for the cover, and the second one I use when I make the fluff. I start with making 5 chain sticks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I will connect them to a loop with a slip stitch. And I will crochet with poles. So the first pole, for that I do 4 chain sticks, and then I start. Pole, chain stick, pole, chain stick. I continue like that all the round. And I will finish this first turn with the final pole, a chain stitch, and then a slip stitch into the first chains that I made. I start with 4 slip stitches. That's the first pole and 1 chain stitch. 2 poles and a chain stitch in between to the next space. So 1 pole and the next one 2 poles and a chain stitch between every pole. And then I finish this turn with a slip stitch. Now I have made 2 turns. I continue with a third turn, 4 chain stitches first, and now I will make 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 2 to 1, 1 to 1, 1 to 1, 2 to 1. A chain stitch in between, and the work will widen a little. So 1 stitch here, 1 stitch here, 2 here, and again a slip stitch to finish this lap. Now I think it's big enough. Now I don't need to widen this windshield anymore. So now I will make only 1 to 1 the next row. So now I make the last stitches, and the 4th turn is also the last one I make. This will be good. I cut off the yarn. Now I tie up this loose end. And now I will start to make this fluff, which will keep the sound of the wind out. Then I take this second yarn, which is quite fluffy by itself, and I take double yarn, and I start to crochet the yarn into these poles that are here. I take yarn, I crochet once and I draw it out, and then I cut. And then I tighten the knot a little. Then I keep this thread away a little, and then I go to the next pole, take thread, draw it out, and cut, and tighten finally. So I continue like this all around. Now I made the first row, and I see that, I think I will do something here in the middle too. Looks too empty. So I will just in here make maybe 4 or 5 of these fluff. It's a good beginning. Now I will continue with the second turn in the same way. 1 by 1 all the way until I finish this lap. Now I start the last lap. The yarn is fluff, so you need to be a little careful that you don't get yarn you don't want to get with you. Crochet that in by mistake. I make this windshield for an Instamic, but it can of course be made to any microphone. You crochet until it's big enough, you widen as much as you need, and when you think it's long enough you finish. Then you make this fluff out some yarn you have at home. If you don't have a fluffy yarn, you can use any ordinary yarn, and you can have a needle, and then you can separate the threads. I think, well, I make some more stitches, some more fluff here on the side, but I don't make it in the last row, but here, like here in between. Yeah, this is the last one I make now. And this is what it looks like now. I will check it like this. I will put a rubber band in here and tighten, and it will fit to the Instamic. So I put the crochet into every second. And now I take the Instamic, put it in to the windshield, and then I will tighten this and make a knot. Just make that knot. How is it with the wind now? I think it's quite good. Still, I will make it look a little bit nicer. So, I take a scissor. You hear the sound, don't you? Oh. This is how to crochet a windshield for an Instamic. Follow our channel. Thank you for watching.